Okay, so chapter 4, linear equation in two variables. Suppose let us write expression x plus y equals to 0. Okay, is it a linear equation?
Yes, ma'am.
Why linear?
No, ma'am.
क्यों नहीं है? है तो क्यों है और नहीं है तो क्यों है नहीं है? What we have seen? हमने क्या देखा था? लीनियर क्या होता है, क्वाड्रेटिक क्या होता है, क्यूबिक क्या होता है? लीनियर मीन्स डिग्री इज 1.
One.
Degree 1 here. Is degree 1 here?
Yes, ma'am.
x का पावर क्या है? 1 है, तो इट इज अ
One.
लीनियर इक्वेशन. ओके, इन हाउ मेनी वेरिएबल्स? कितने वेरिएबल्स हैं यहाँ पे? सिर्फ x है,
Ma'am, 1.
y है ही नहीं, z कोई और वेरिएबल नहीं है, तो दिस इज ए लीनियर इक्वेशन इन वन वेरिएबल. ओके, सपोज वी हैव अ इक्वेशन x plus 7y equals to 19. Is it a linear equation?
Ma'am, it is.
Ma'am, it is in two variable.
It is a linear equation in two variables. Okay, so now let us come to the standard form of linear equation in two variable. It is given by ax plus by plus c equals to 0, where a and b both cannot be 0. Both of them cannot be 0. Okay, and a, b, c are real numbers. A, B, C are real numbers. Okay, so this is a standard form of linear equation in two variables. Ax plus by plus c equals to 0, where a, b, c should be real numbers. Real numbers क्या होते हैं? All rational and irrational together are real. Okay, तो हमको जो अभी तक सारे numbers पता हैं वो real ही आते हैं, real में ही आते हैं. Okay, and a and b both cannot be 0. कोई भी एक 0 हो सकता है लेकिन दोनों साथ में 0 नहीं है. Clear है?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now coming to example. Example 1. Write each of the following in form of ax plus by plus c. Get the value of ABC. Okay. So 2x plus 3y equals to 4.37. They have written this. Okay. अब ये बोल रहे हैं कि we have to write it in form of ax plus by plus c. So we'll write this in this form this way. 2x plus 3y minus 4.37 equals to 0. And we have to tell what is the value of a, b and c. When we'll compare it with this standard form of linear equation in two variables, a is 2, b is 3 and c is minus 4.37.
2.7.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
This is very easy. Remaining three parts you can do right now. Okay. 2x equals to y. So 2x minus y equals to 0. We'll compare it with ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So a equals to 2, b is equal to minus 1 and c will be equal to 0. Is it clear? Okay. So standard form is this: ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Okay. If I move this 5 this side, this will be this way. This is what? 1 into x plus 0 into y plus 5 equals to 0. So a is 1, b is 0 and c is 5. Okay. So we have to just write it in two variables. So we can, this is the equation in two variables. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Similarly, remaining parts you can try. Standard form. So standard form of fourth part will be 0x plus 5y minus 2 equals to 0. This is the answer.
okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Now exercise 4.1. So 4.1. The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of pen. Okay. So let cost of pen be y rupees. Okay. So cost of notebook is equal.
Ma'am, may we try this question?
Okay. Okay. Cost of notebook equals to X rupees. Okay. Write a linear equation. First one I am doing, and after that you can try remaining ones. Okay.
Okay.
Cost of pen क्या है? 2 times the cost of notebook. Oh, sorry. Cost of notebook is 2 times the cost of pen. So notebook is 2 times the cost of pen. Okay. So ये होगी इसकी standard. Write a linear equation in 2 variables. So this will be the linear equation in. Okay. Is it clear, Yashvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Question second, express the following equations in form of ax plus by plus c and indicate the value of abc. Okay. So this is just same like example. This you can try.
Yes, ma'am.
So question 2 you can try. Okay. Equation in 2 variables only. A is what?
Yes,
1, B is minus 1 by 5 and C is minus 10. This is also correct answer. Other answer can be 5x minus y minus 50 equals to 0. ऐसे भी कर सकते हो. तो A की वैल्यू हो जाएगी 5, B की वैल्यू -1 और C की वैल्यू -50. Both are correct.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, in fourth one, we have to change the sign, but it is dividing by.
1 minute. In fourth one, x equals to 3y. So x minus 3y equals to 0. So A is 1, B is -3 and C is 0.
Okay.
Sixth one, it is 3x plus 2 equals to 0. Okay. So we can write it 3x plus 0y plus 2 equals to 0. So A is 3, B is 0 and C is 2. This is the answer.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Yashvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt? Which question you are not getting?
Ma'am, I'm not getting. Ma'am. Ma'am, third one. Ma'am, sorry, fourth one.
Okay. So fourth one is here. X minus 3y equals to 0. So A is 1, B is -3 and C is 0.
And ma'am, second one.
Second one, A is 1, B is -1 by 5 and C is -10. This is also correct. And if you want to take LCM, you can take LCM also. 5x minus y minus 50 equals to 0. So A is 5, B is -1 and C is -50.
Okay, ma'am.
So 5 equals to 2x. So we can write this either 5
2x minus 5.
yes 2x minus 5 भी लिख सकते हैं, -2x plus 5 भी लिख सकते हैं. इसको इधर लाओ या इसको इधर लाओ, एक ही बात है. ओके. So A will be -2 in this case, B will be 0 and C will be 5, because this can again be written as -2x plus 0y plus 5 equals to 0.
Ma'am, B will 5 and C will 0. C will come 0.
C 0 क्यों होगा? कांस्टेंट जो टर्म है वो है C, जिसके साथ कोई भी वेरिएबल नहीं है वो होता है C. तो C तो 5 होगा. Y के साथ जो होता है वो होता है B, तो Y के साथ क्या है? 0 है. ओके. Okay, this meeting is also